This Just Like You information video explains why virtually all horses carry a worm burden that can cause serious health concerns. An effective worming program can be a lifesaver. There are few creatures more magnificent than the horse, epitomizing both beauty and strength. It's hard to believe that these gentle giants can literally be brought to their knees by a life form that measures in millimeters. Like most grazing animals, horses are commonly infested with internal parasites or worms. In fact, over 150 different species of worms infest the horse. Large strong giles or bloodworms, small strong giles or redworms, ascarids or roundworms, and tapeworms are the most important from a health perspective. Horse owners need to understand that virtually all horses harbor a worm burden. To understand why, consider the life cycle of worms. Adult worms live in the intestine and reproduce by the production of eggs that are shed in manure. On pasture, during early summer, the eggs hatch and mature into tiny larval worms that live on the grass. As the horse grazes, it consumes larval worms. Once consumed, the larval worms migrate through the horse's internal organs, causing a variety of health problems. What organs are affected depend on the type of worm. Roundworms migrate through the lung, causing coughing and other respiratory problems. Bloodworms migrate into blood vessels, often blocking intestinal arteries, causing fatal colic. Redworms are now the most common parasite in horses, forming cysts in the bowel. Encysted worms are released in waves when horses are under stress or in the spring when turned out to pasture. Severe diarrhea and colic accompany. So if your horse eats, it's likely infested with worms. A strategic worming program can help reduce the burden. In the fall, horses should also receive a worming 1 month after a killing frost to eliminate maggots of botflies that overwinter in the horse's stomach. It's important that horse owners understand that it's not if, but how bad a worm burden your horses harbor. It is also important to know that many worms have developed resistance to some worming medication. It is crucial for horse owners to consult their veterinarians for the specifics of a worming program